So in this video I will teach you how to remove ad limit within 7 to 10 days. If you get ad limit from in your AdSense account, so you can easily remove ad limit if you follow my steps. First of all, go on WP, I mean your WordPress, and remove all codes like go ads. First, there you can see edit option, click here, then go ad load and all ads minimum, okay, full minimum, and go to ad format. There close video screen, wide screen and auto screen, multiplex ads, all in page ads off. Then click auto ads, click on optimize and auto ads. Then you complete these steps, click apply to site and save. Okay, then go buy ad unit. There you create many ads, manual ads. Click archive, so one by one all deleted. Okay, one by one all deleted. And when you delete all ads there, then go global setting and close this button like this. Okay, but in this case I can't close this button because I not get their ad limit, as you can see. When you complete these steps, so you need to remove all codes in your WordPress. Like you can see get code, this is the code. So go on your WordPress. If you connect your website with your AdSense through plugin, so go to plugin, go to setting, and you can see there insert header and footer. I am connected this site through plugin, so you can see this is code and this is connected through plugin. Remove this code like this, but I can't remove this code because I not get ad limit. So you remove this code and save it. If you not connected your website from AdSense through plugin, so go on appearance, you can see, and click theme file editor, click header.php, and if you connect your website from Google AdSense through theme file editor header.php, you can paste it your code there like this. First, wait, copy. So you connected your website with Google AdSense with this code. So if you connected like this, so remove this code. Okay, remove this code and file update. This is first step. Also, if you paste any manual ad, footer, header, sidebar, anywhere, remove all codes in your website. I mean disconnect your website with Google AdSense. Okay, all codes, manual, auto, remove all the codes, remove manual and autos, remove from your website through in your website. When you remove all codes, Google AdSense in your website, so your website disconnect from Google AdSense. Okay, wait 3 to 5 days. If you again show there the number of ads has been limited in your site, if you see their notification after doing this settings, I mean when you complete all my steps and after 7 days, again there you can see your notification is not removed. So go on your website and click theme. Okay, click theme and add new, and install this theme. When you install this theme, so you can see after 3 to 4 days your notification is removed there. So when you see your notification is removed, so wait again 2 to 3 days. Don't click any settings and don't run any command. Wait 2 to 3 days. After 2 to 3 days you can only get their auto ads code. Okay, get auto ads code only and go to your WordPress dashboard. There you connect your site with Google AdSense. If you use plugin, so go to connect your website through from Google AdSense through plugin, but I am connected my website through plugin. So setting, insert header and footer. So there I am paste auto ads code and save. If you can't use this plugin, so you go appearance theme file editor and you now head.php and pasted your code there. Okay, like this, and update file. When you complete this step, so you need go to ads and only you get their code and pasted your website, but you need to off your all ads. Okay, don't own your auto ads. Don't own all ads. You need to close auto ads and not can't use to manual ad. Delete all ads. Okay, when you done these steps, you need you see your page views is counted again there. After 3 to 4 days you only own auto ads. Okay, like this, auto ads only. Ad format on, and ad load is minimum. Okay, ad load is minimum. So your ads is showing on your website. I repeat it again. So I repeat it again. There are 3 steps. Remove ad limit. First of all, go ads and off all your auto ads. Off all your auto ads. Okay, first step, go by ad unit and delete all your manual ad, and go global setting, close this button, and go to your WordPress dashboard. Remove all auto ads code and manual ads codes in your website. If you use plugin, so remove all codes in your plugin. If you use theme file editor head.php, so remove all codes in your head.php. Okay, if you use any header manual ad, footer manual ad, sidebar ad, so remove all codes in your website. If you use any code Google AdSense in your website, remove all codes, because if when you remove all codes with your website in your website, so your website is disconnected from Google AdSense. Okay, first step is done. After 7 to 10 days you can see your ad notification is removed. When your notification is not removed, so you need to change your theme. Go to appearance theme and install this theme 2022. First one, install now and active. So after 3 to 4 days you can see your notification is removed. Okay, when you see your notification is removed, wait 2 to 3 days again. Okay, after 2 to 3 days later you need to connect your AdSense with your website with your auto ads. Get auto ad code and paste it in your website, only auto ads code. Okay, after 2 to 3 days later you see your page view is counted there again and impression is 0. After 3 to 4 days later you need to own ads only. Don't insert manual ad in your website. When you own your auto ads, so you can see limited, so you can see your website ad is showing. So if you face any problem in your AdSense account, so contact me, I will help you.